In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a product ad with Veo 3. And this is the result of this tutorial.
This protein changed my routine. Amazing taste and real results. Link in my profile.
So first of all, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, we need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And here, what we're going to do is first create an image. And with that image, create the video. So now we have to go to the image section. Here we need to click in settings, and in model, we're going to change it to GPT Image 2. Then the quality, we're going to use the medium quality. And now in reference, we're going to upload an image of our product. In my case, it's a protein, but you can use any product. So now let's click here. And now here, where it says describe your image, I'm going to use the following prompt. This is a prompt that is going to be in the comment section, so you can use it or modify it as you want. And now we have to click here. Perfect, now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and now we have to choose one. Personally, I like this one, so I'm going to click here where it says use as a start frame. Now we have to click in settings. And here, be sure that you are using Veo 3.1. But I want to tell you that personally, for this type of videos, I prefer to use Kling 3.0. I like more the model and it's cheaper. But as this is a Veo 3.1 tutorial, I'm going to use Veo 3.1. So now we have to click here. So now, here where it says describe your video, I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, so as well, you can modify it as you want. And now, we have to click here. Now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 5 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
This protein changed my routine. Amazing taste and real results. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. It looks really realistic. The lip sync is really good. And the video in general looks clean. So if you want to do a video like this one, I want to tell you that in NovoAds, we have an offer of $1 to create your first ad. This is literally less than a coffee, so I recommend you to try it. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel the plan when you want. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.